Select the major product of the following reaction. So we have a reaction scheme here that shows us that we have an amide, that we are reacting with thionyl chloride. And we're also given the infrared spectrum of the product. So all of this information together should help us to identify what's going on. So when you have an amide and you treat it with thionyl chloride, this is going to be a dehydration. So we are going to remove water from the amide. So specifically, you're removing these two hydrogens and this oxygen. So you're removing water. And what that does is it's going to form a nitrile as the product. Okay, so if you want to determine the structure of the nitrile, I'm just going to number my carbon atoms in order to count them. So this carbon atom 5 is going to be the carbon of your nitrile, and you end up with a triple bond to the nitrogen it's attached to. So we should end up with, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then carbon 5 is where our nitrile is. So then from carbon 5, we place the triple bond and the nitrogen. And so that should be our product, and we can recognize that here is option C. And we do have the additional evidence of the infrared spectrum. And the really key thing that gives us away as an amide is this carbon-nitrogen triple bond at 2252. So that's solidly in that triple bond stretching region. So the only other thing you see kind of in that general area would be a carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, and that's not really a possibility with this system. And then our other set of peaks that we have are in the range for bonds to hydrogen, and they are just below 3,000. So these are all of the sp3 carbon-hydrogen stretches of the alkane portion of the molecule.